Today we're putting two powerhouse touring tires head-to-head, Continental's PremiumContact 7 and Bridgestone's Turanza T005. Unveiled in 2022, the PremiumContact 7 from Continental brings innovative features for versatile driving conditions, while the Bridgestone Turanza T005 has been a favorite since 2018 for its consistent performance. In wet conditions, the PremiumContact 7 shines, stopping 3.4 meters shorter than the Turanza T005 and scoring higher in wet handling. However, the Turanza T005 edges out slightly better in aquaplaning resistance. Moving to dry conditions, both tires perform admirably, but the PremiumContact 7 takes a slight lead, particularly in handling, where it outpaces the Turanza by over half a second. In noise and comfort tests, both tires are neck and neck, but the Turanza T005 is marginally quieter and more comfortable, making it an excellent choice for long drives. If fuel efficiency is your concern, the Turanza T005 also boasts a lower rolling resistance, indicating better fuel economy over long distances. In conclusion, while the PremiumContact 7 excels in performance, particularly in wet conditions, the Turanza T005 offers a great balance of comfort and efficiency. Your choice depends on what characteristics you value most in a tire. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.